In last class, what we learned? Predecessors, successors of the numbers. Okay. Same exercise now we are going to continue that one. We did the first and second main in the previous class. Now we are going to the third main in this class. Okay. What we learned in the here is the exercise number 2.3. In that we have already finished off first and second main. Now we are going for the third main. Okay. What is this here? Compare the following numbers and place greater than or smaller than in the blanks. What they have given? We have to compare the numbers whatever they have given. Then which is the greater number, which is the smaller number, we have to put the symbols of that one in a given box. Okay. You know already in previous class you have learnt about comparing the numbers. That is only double digit. Okay. 3 digits up to hundreds. 2 digits, 3 digits comparing the numbers, you know that one. Now we are going to bigger numbers, that is up to lakh also it is there. That's why I have drawn here what place value chart also here it is I drawn. Then we will compare the both number whatever number they given here, no, two numbers they given to compare. Then once we will put the place value chart, which place we have to compare, that one we have to search of, then compare that one, then you will come to know the which number is greater and which number is smaller. Let me start. Now start. Okay. See that. First A. Once again I will read the what? This means here compare the following numbers. Then what we have to do? We have to compare these two numbers. Yes, they given here two numbers. Then what they did? And place greater than or smaller than in the blanks. Then they have given here blanks, here boxes they have given. We have to put these symbols in this box. Then how to put? First you have to compare this both numbers. Then you have to put the greater than or smaller than sign in that box. Then we will start after comparing now. Okay. See here. First read the both numbers. First read the both numbers. Here ones, tens, this is a hundreds and this one is a thousand. Okay. Then up to thousand we have this number 7183 it is. Then they given me a box. We have to compare 7183 to which number? See here 7456. We have to compare these both numbers. Okay. Then how to compare this one? How do we start comparing numbers? Then always start with the ones. Okay. We used to start always from the counting what? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. No. Like this type, while writing the place value, we will read that. Then we will read the number. While comparing the numbers, you start comparing from the higher digit place value. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ place value ಇದೆ last ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ start ಮಾಡಿ comparison. Understood? We used to start ones, tens, hundred, thousand. No? Now you start comparing. Now you start comparing from what? Which place? Which place is the biggest there? No? From that you have to start the comparing. Then here you have to start from a 7,000 it is there. From thousands you start comparing. Then you come to know that one which is the bigger, which is the smaller. To clearly understand that one, that's why I put here the place value chart. Yes. Then with this place value chart, what we will do? We will put the numbers there inside the chart. Then we will come to know which is the big and not small. See here. First what I told, we have to compare the 1000 place. Okay. See here. Here also it is a 7000. Here also it is a 7000. We have up to 7000 place. Then right here, this is the first line, this is the second line. Here also we have 7000. In second row comparing also we have a 7000 only. Then next we have here 100. Here it is a 400. Then here it is a 100 in first row. In second we have here 400. Then leave the next places. Here only we got the difference there. Understood? Here only we got the difference here. In hundreds place only we got the difference there. See here, thousands place 7, both are equal. In a hundreds place we have here 1 and here 4. We got the difference there. Comparison, see there. Then in tens place it is a 8 here, and here we have a 5. Yes. Then next in ones place 3 is there in first row. To second compare 6 is there. Then which one we are comparing here? Tell me first one. We are comparing this one only. We have to start from which one? Thousands place. Both are same. Then leave that. Then next is here it is a hundreds place only. We got the difference there. Is it? In 100 place we have here 1 and here it is a 4. Then this place we are comparing there. Understood? We are comparing 1 and 4 here. Yes, is it? 1 and 4 we are comparing. Then tell me which number is big here. Then I will write here. I will show you. Here it is a 1 and 4. Yes, we are comparing 1 and 4. Yes, 1 and 4. We got difference in a where 1 and 4 in hundreds place. Here only we got the difference there. Then here only this place only we are going to compare that one. Then we come to know that one which is the big number, which is the small number. Yes, here it is a 4 and it is a 1. Yes, 4 and 1. You tell me which is the big number here. Here it is you have a 4 chocolates or 4 things. Here it is a 1. Then 1 and 4 means which is the bigger? 4 is the bigger number and 1 is a small number. Then how we will put the greater than sign? I informed you always it is like a open mouth, no? Like this type we have our greater than smaller than sign. Then where the mouth is open, that is a greater than. Understood? Where we have the point, that is a smaller than. See here we have this one sign where it is a open mouth. If we have here open mouth means it is showing the greater than number. If it is a point at the edge, if it is an edge, here it is showing the smaller than. It is showing smaller than. Then which one? How to put this ones here? 1 is a small number. Then 4 is a here greater number. 4 is a big number. Always the open mouth should be to the big number. Yes. Always the open mouth should be to the big number. Then put this like this one. Now what we will read? Now what we will read? 1 is smaller than. Why? See here, because edge is here. Yes, we have a sharp edge towards the 1. Then you have to read 1 is smaller than 4. Yes, 1 is smaller than 4. We compare only here 1 and 4. Yes, is it? Then like this type only, if we are very comfortable with the comparing small numbers means only take that digit only, you compare that one. Now you come to our original question. Okay, here it is we already told 1 is smaller than 4. Then same it is here 7183 is smaller than 7456. Then which we compare? We compared hundreds place. We have compared here. We have compared hundreds place. Then same sign we have to put here. That is a 7183 is smaller than. Then this edge should be to the small number because this is a smaller than 400. 100 is smaller than 400. Here 1 is smaller than 4. Now you read this number. Now you did the sum. Now you read this number. 7183 is smaller than 7456. Understood? Clearly you understood how to compare the numbers. Then we will go to next one. Okay? We will remove off this. Then we will go to next one. Then we will put up the next numbers here. It is very easy for you to now understand that one. We are keeping that numbers in the first. What we are doing in place value chart also we are checking that one. Which digit we have to compare. Then after that we are giving that one in the chart also. Yes. Then we will go to next one. Second one. Then here read the number neatly. See here ones, tens, 100, 1000. After 1000 it is a 10,000. Yes. Here we learned about only 1000. Here it is up to 10,000. Again see here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Then now we have up to 10,000 number. Then read this 65,284. Yes. Then here it is a 69,983. Is it? What I told? First we will start with the highest place value where it is. Then we have up to 10,000 here I told. See here 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Then up to 10,000 we have. Then compare the both 10,000's place. Here is our place value chart. 10,000 is here. Then start up writing that one in the 10,000s. Okay. What they have given first? 6 is there in 10,000 place. In both we have a 6. See here also it is a 6. Here also it is 6. Then write in a 10,000s place value 6 and 6. Okay. Next what we have? In first row it is a 5. Second we have a 9. Then here we have a 5 and here we have a 9. Yes. Then next what we have? Here only we got the comparison there. 5 and 9 become a different number there. Yes. Then next we have a 9 and 2 there. See there? 2 and 9. After that 8 and 8. 8 and 8. See here in ones place we have a 4 and 3. Ones place we have a 4 and 3. No need to write full also. In next sum when we are going to solve now, I will not write full in the chart. Where we are comparing no, up to that we can stop that one. Up to that we can stop that one. Understood? See here now. Now here which place we are comparing here? Ones, tens, 100 and thousands place, because it is here 5, here it is a 9. See this one we are comparing. See here. Here only it is a 5, here it is a 9. Yes, 5 and 9 we have there. That's why here itself we are comparing these both numbers. Then only we come to know which is a greater and smaller than. Then tell me, first we have here 5. Then we have 9. Yes, 5 and 9 number are there. Yes. Then which is the more here? Don't read this full up to 10,000 numbers. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ 10,000 ವರೆಗೂ ಇರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬಿಗ್ ಯಾವುದು ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. We will get the comparison there. See here. Now 5 is there and 9 is there. Which one big? Yes, 9 is a big number and 5 is a small. Yes, you don't know? You know that one. Okay. Then what I told? How to put the symbol of comparison with the symbol which is greater? Always keep the open mouth to the biggest number. Yes, always put this open to the big number. Now which is our big number? 9 is our big number, 5 is small. Then put here like this type. Understood? Now read the number. 5 is, again we have, it is a sharp edge is there. 5 is smaller than 9. 5 is smaller than 9. Then as we are reading this one, same it is here also. 65,284 is smaller than 69,983. Yes. Then put here also smaller than sign. Then always open to the big number. Our mouth should be open. What we are putting, no, that sign's mouth should be open to the big number. Yes, it is clear for you. Concept is clear for you. Now we will go to C1. Yes, see here. Here also we have up to 10,000. See here, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Yes, here also we have up to 10,000s. Then okay, here see ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. In both places we have up to 10,000. Then we will put this number in a place value chart. Then we will start off the comparing the numbers. Okay. Then we will put that one in the place value chart. We will start off the comparing that one. Yes. Then I will write. I will rub off this one. What I wrote before, that is B1. I am rubbing B1. Now we will add here only the C. What I am doing now, C sum now. We will add that numbers in this chart now. See. What is there after 10,000? 31,000. 31,000. Okay. Then 10,000 place 31,000 is in our first row. Then here we have a 27,000. Yes. 27,000. See, we first row only we got the comparison here. Here only we got the comparison because in 10,000 place only we have the different numbers. Understood? We have different numbers here only. Here only. See here it is a 2 and here it is a 3. 10,000 place only. Here is a 3 and here is a 2. Here only we got the comparison numbers. Then after that see here they have here 54, 31,000, 54, here 27,453. Then we are comparing now here only the first one because first only the 10,000 place only they have the different values there. Okay, we are comparing that one only. Then here only we are comparing means we got the 3 and 2. Yes, 3 and 2. Then we have a 3 number in the first place. Then after we are comparing 3 to what one? 2. Then which number is big there? 3 is big or 2 is big? 3 is big. To compare 2 we have 1, 2. After 2 we have a 3. That's why 3 is a big number. Then what I told? Always this open mount we have to give for the big number. Remember that one only. Now our 3 is big number. Then put this open mount to 3. Yes, put this open mount to 3. Now read the number. 3 is bigger than 2. Now read the number. 3 is bigger than 2. Like that type only. Same thing we are reading here also. 31,054 is bigger than 27,453. Yes, is it? Then here we have to put the bigger than sign. We are comparing first one 10,000 place only. Then here we have to put the bigger than sign. Okay. Then we will move to next one. Now D1 we will start off. See here. Now it is up to lakh place. We learned in the last sum up to 10,000. See here. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Now we have up to lakh position. Okay. Then read this number first. 7,52,572. Yes. Then same we have here. 7,52,496. Then start comparing. What I told. While comparing first we will put that numbers in a place value chart. Then it is up to lakhs. First we have here 7 lakh in a both position. We have 7 lakhs. See there? 7 lakh, 7 lakh. Then 52,000 here also it is a 52,000 here also. Then write 52,000, 52,000. Then next in tens place here we have a 5,000. Here it is a 500. Sorry, here is a 500 and here is a 400. Okay. Then write first we have here 500 and here is a 400. Then what I told? I will stop where I am getting the comparison. Now here also we got in 100 place itself comparison. Then we will stop over here only. See here in 100 place we got the different numbers. Then we are comparing the 100 place here 5 and 4. Then this 5 and 4 we are comparing here in 100 place only we got the difference there. Then 5 we are comparing here 5 with the 4. Now tell me which is the big number here. Big number is a 5. You know. See here this is a full up to lakh. You can't read also. You can compare also that one. Yes. It is very easy if you put in a chart. if you take a small number to compare, here is a 5 is a big number and 4 is a small one. Then always we have to put the open mouth to small. Yes. Always put the open mouth to big number. Then for small number, we have a sharp edge. Okay, then 5 is bigger than 4. Same here, 5 is bigger than 4 in hundreds place. So, 7,52,572 is bigger than 7,52,496. Then put the bigger than sign towards where we have 5. Yes. Very easy it is when we come to the small one digit numbers. To compare it is a very easy. Yes. Then we will go to next E. See here also ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh. Here also it is up to lakh position. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Here also it is up to lakh position. Then start comparing. You don't think that very big number this is up to lakh we have. How to compare this number? Which one big, which one small? How to find out? If we put in a chart, no, place value chart, it is very easy to find out big number and small one. Then next see here, what lakhs position? In both it is a 3. Then write there 3 in a lakhs position. See here. Then next 10,000. Here it is a 71,000. Here is a 70,000. Then 71,000, 70,000. Here only we got the difference. Okay. In thousands place itself we got the difference there. See here. Lakhs position is same. 10 lakh position is same. Here itself in thousand position we got the difference there. 1 and 0 is there. Then we are comparing this one only here. 1 and this 0 we are comparing. Okay. Then compare the 1. Then with 1 we are comparing a 0 here. Then 1 is bigger or 0 is bigger. Now it is very easy. See, first it is up to 3 lakhs. Yes. Now it is become a 0 and 1. 1 and 0. Now which is the bigger? 1 is bigger or 0 is bigger? Then 1 is the bigger number. Then what we have to do? Always put the open mouth to big number. Then our big number is 1. Keep this open mouth to big number to 1. Then same, keep the open mouth to 1 here also. Now you read the number. How to read this number now? Read this full number. 3,71,415 is bigger than, otherwise greater than 3,70,657. We can use bigger than, otherwise greater than, both. Then lastly we'll come to F. Yes. Then here, see here also it is up to lakh position. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Here also it is up to lakh position. Here also it is up to lakh position. Understood? Then we will start the comparing number and writing that one. Where we will get the comparison? No, there we will stop of the writing in a place value chart, that one. Yes. See here, then in lakhs place, in both sides we have a 8. Lakhs place, both sides we have a 8. Then 10,000 place you see 23,000. Here also it is a 23,000. Then write here 23,000, 23,000. Then next come to hundreds place. Here it is a 4. Here also it is a 4. In both we have a 4, 4. Then we not got comparison here also. Then come to tens place. Here we have a 1. Here also it is a 1. Same again. Tens place also 1, 1. We got a same there. Then next come to ones place. We have 4 here and 7 is here. Then 4 and 7 we got the difference here. In ones place we got the difference. Okay. In ones place we got the difference. Then we are comparing the ones place here. Understood? We are comparing 4 and 7 here. We are comparing 4 and 7 here. Yes, one's place we are comparing. Then see here it is started with the 8 lakh. Lastly it came to 4 and 7. Just we are comparing 4 and 7. Now see here it is 4 is here and we have a 7 here. Then which is the big number now? 4 and 7. In between the 4 and 7 we have a big number is a 7. Then what I told? Always put the open mark to big number. Then put the open mark to the big number. It is here towards the 7. Now read this one. 4 is smaller than 7. Yes, because sharp edge is towards the 4. We have to read that one. 4 is smaller than 7. Then like that type only we will put the here also open mouth to the towards the 7. Open mouth towards the 7 because we are comparing 4 and 7 here. 7 is a big number. Open mouth is towards the 7. Now you read this number. See here 8,23,414 is smaller than because we have sharp edge here is smaller than 8,23,417. Yes, understood how to compare the place values, how to compare the values of the numbers, how to put the symbols in that one. If it is a big number, don't think that one about it is so big number, how to compare, how to find out which is a big number, which is a small number. It is very easy to find out the big and small numbers. Okay, have a nice day, great day, enjoy your day. We will meet in the next class again. Bye.